Hello everyone, I'm Malisi Tuma. Thank you for tuning in. On today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious coconut jollof rice. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use, and you'll find them in the description box. First, I'm going to steam cook the chicken, add the seasoning, and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using coconut milk mixed with water, but you can just use the coconut milk without water. I'm adding salt to taste. At this point, the chicken is ready and I'm going to fry using a cooking oil. Frying is an optional, but if you have the oven, you can just bake it for about 20 minutes to get that golden brown color. I'm loving this color and the chicken looks very nice. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. I have carrots, green peas, onion, and bay leaves that I'm going to use later. The ingredients I have washed and nicely cut them, and I'm going to blend. In the blender, I'm adding some water to blend nicely. I'm frying the onions using coconut oil, but you can use any other oil. I'm adding tomato paste. I'll cook for about 3 to 5 minutes to remove that sour taste from the tomato paste. I'm adding the blended ingredients and I will stir and cook for about 5 minutes. I'm now soaking the rice using hot water and I will let it settle for some few minutes to remove the starch. The sauce is ready and I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm using salt, chicken season powder, curry powder, thyme, and bay leaves, but you can use any spices of your choice. I'm now adding the chicken stock. Now I'm adding the washed rice and I'm going to mix well with the sauce. I'm now adding the coconut milk and hot water. Make sure that the amount of water will be the same level, almost the same level with the rice. I now have the coconut rice. and the kitchen is smelling very nice. I wish you can perceive the aroma that is coming from my kitchen. And now I'm going to add the diced carrots. Stir gently, cover and leave it for about 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I'm going to finish with the green peas. I'll mix well, and once the green peas are inside, I'll just turn off the stove and cover, and the heat will cook the green peas. With this recipe, the rice turned out very delicious, and if you like this recipe, please try and let me know how yours turned out. Now here is the chicken. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget to click that notification bell. See you in my next video.